Welcome to No Inches DIY Inside Edition. Time to cook. You're thinking, what feedeth the man that maketh the magic? Well, the answer today is a little pork burger. So we got from Aldi, pork Scotch fillet steak. Also again from Aldi, Turkish rolls, goodly ways, Colby cheese, salad leaf mix, and use up all my old veggies that I don't know where I bought them from. So what I'm going to do is make a bit of a burger with a bit of a deglaze, make some nice sauce for it. So let's get kicking. I'm going to start with some sweet potato. I'm going to cook this in the microwave. And with the water that comes off this, I'm going to do a bit of a deglaze, get all my pan juices and my marinade juices off into the sauce. There you go. In there, bit of splish splash. Probably put that in for about 10 minutes. Minute, no kitchen scissors. So, these pre-marinated pork things, good enough, lovely. I think they only cost about $6, 400 grams, straight out the gate. Good thing with marinated things like that is when you deglaze the pan, you get all the flavour. Ordinarily on a burger you'd get some nice fresh tomato, as they call it in America, but today I'm just using up this soft cut tomato. It's a little bit long in the tooth, so I'll just deglaze it, this, put it in the sauce. Now, would I like broccoli in my burger? I don't know. It's getting a bit long in the tooth, so I'll use it up. Might not go in the burger. Alright, this garlic wants to cheek me. It's a bang. Very rough chop. Very unceremonious. That'll go goodly ways in the sauce. Alright, got some hot oil in there. About to drop these porks in there. Alright. Obviously both of these aren't going on one burger, but I'm going to cook them both. Because it's pork, you can reheat it good enough. Wouldn't do that with beef. Alright, while they're cooking I might get off this broccoli. Even though it might not make it into the burger, it's still lovely. Now the secret to all my cooking is the deglaze at the end. That's where you get all the nice flavours. Especially this one, where you've got all that marinade, it's going to deglaze into the final sauce at the end. Garlic in there. Now this tomato's going in the sauce, so I will try to overcook it. To lose its structure a bit. It's always a hassle with marinated things. The marinade's got so much sugar in it. You cook it, but you don't want to burn the marinade. Just keep that all moving around. Keep it liaising, as they say in French, thickening the sauce. Alright, so this meat's not far away from being cooked. So I've got my sweet taties there. They've in the microwave. They've been in there for about 12 minutes, so well and truly cooked. So what I've got my bread ready. I'm going to put that in the grill. Now when you buy a McDonald's or one of those inferior burgers, you're going to get bread that's more sugar than bread. So I like to use Turkish bread, because I'm sure it's only 50% sugar. So I've gone a bit cool there. Started to stew a bit. That's no good. Okay. So my veggies are starting to look like they're going to go very saucy. Oh, here's a little scrappy that broke off. A bit raw, but very well delicious. So these porks do need a little bit more. But in that time, my Turkishes will be toasted under there. My sweet taties are done, a little bit warm. That water off there with the sweet taties will liaise all that pan juice, and that'll be well lovely. Alright, just going to put some cheese on this. Starting to see some good colours on there. And the good news is, plenty of flavours stuck to this pan for the deglaze. I'm going to take one of these out. I'm not eating both of them. I'm not an animal. Might take this one out too. Just let that have a rest before it goes into the boiger. Alright, now it's time to deglaze. I'm going to just move this around. Get all those marinade juices off there. Don't want the sauce to be too wet. As that deglazes, you're actually cleaning the pan. No flavour left behind. That's my motto. Okay, that can go off now. These broccoli, I'll have them later. After I do the video editing, I'll keep them for a snack. All this is going on my burger. Cheese is melted. Spatula fell down the side there, horrible mess. But I think we've got ourselves a boiger that we can put together. Right, let's get ready to plate up. Here's a plate I arranged earlier. Oh, Turkish with cheese. Right. Nice salad mix. Oh, get that into you. Lock your hole on that. Alright, so I'm just going to slice up some of my pork. Oh yeah, look at that redness. Don't want to overcook your meats. Pile that on. Then this will become our sauce. It's got all the goodies in there. It's not too wet, we're not McDonald's. Lid goes on. If that's not the most beautiful looking burger you've ever seen. Imagine the fuel you could get from this. The fuel to DIY. That's real. Real good. Stay tuned, got some more videos coming out. Bit of cooking, bit of DIY, all the good stuff.